Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Success. Today I'm going to be talking about a cryptocurrency company that is rapidly growing and focusing on esports and video advertising. And so I think there's a lot of potential for this cryptocurrency and they have an opportunity to gain passive income. And so the cryptocurrency I'm going to be talking about today is Verasity. And so they are focusing on significantly increasing the engagement of ad revenue on videos. And so before we get started, I'd like to mention a couple of things. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. It will help push it out to many other people. Also, if you'd like to get some free stocks from Webull, there is a link below. Once you deposit $100, you can get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. And as always, this is not financial advice. This is only my opinion, so please do your own research. And so let's get into it here. The cryptocurrency that I'm going to be talking about is Verasity. And so as you can see, the ticker symbol on this is VRA. And so we are on CoinMarketCap here. And so we can see that it is currently trading at about 1.8 cents. And so it is down about 3% for the day. And so we can take a look at the chart here as well. And so since the beginning of the year, we can see this has gone up substantially. It hit a high of about 5 cents. And since then has dropped down quite a bit. And so I think this is a good opportunity to buy this cryptocurrency, as I think there is a bright future for this cryptocurrency going forward. And so I'd like to take a look at this here to explain exactly what Verasity is focusing on. So Verasity is a protocol and product layer platform for esports and video entertainment. And so Veracity's mission is to significantly increase engagement for advertising revenues and video publishers on any video platform. And so the way they are doing this is through VRA rewards, a proprietary video player, a proprietary ad stack, and then proof of view. And so in March of this year, they got a patent for proof of view. And so it is the only protocol layered patented technology for the blockchain. And then they also have Verawallet, and this is how you can earn passive income. Through holding VRA token, you can earn about a 25.5% APY return. And so that's very good for this cryptocurrency. And so we'll be going more in depth into that towards the end of the video. And so as you can see towards the bottom, VRA Rewards product layer is integrated for the following video players. And so it can be used with YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo, VideoSmart, JW Player. And so a lot of these are very large video applications that this can already be used on. So I think there's a lot of potential for this going forward. And so I'd like to take a look at this article here as well. And so the blockchain protocol gets patent in quest to stop fake views on videos. And so that is their intention for this cryptocurrency. And so I'd like to look into this article a little further. And so a blockchain protocol says its goal is to significantly increase engagement for video publishers and deliver a much needed boost to their advertising revenues. And so Veracity's proof of view protocol, which has been awarded the patent from the US Patent and Trademark Office, ensures the views recorded on video platforms are genuine. And so there's a lot of fake views out there. There's a lot of bots that are viewing these ads. And so when they get the numbers of how many views were actually seen on the ads, it is not accurate. And so it's not real human beings viewing it. And so they're not getting as much publicity as they are thinking. And so that means that the advertisers end up paying much more for their ads than they're actually getting for publicity. And so some estimates suggest that over 50% of the cash spent on online advertising is for views that are not seen by real people. And so they're essentially losing about 50% of the money that they are spending on advertisements. And so Verasity is focusing on that to improve this, to ensure that it is a human actually looking at the ad, to ensure that the company paying for these advertisements are getting what they're actually paying for. And so the manipulation of these algorithms damages the ecosystem for viewers, creators, brands, and advertisers. And so viewers are given a false impression of content, advertisers and sponsors are misled. And so what is the value of a view? So Veracity's stated goal is to derive the true value of content. In the online world, many of us often click on videos that have racked up millions of views, taking these figures as a sign that the clip will be of good standard. And so when it has 1 million views, a lot of us think that it is going to be beneficial and it is worth watching. However, sometimes you will click on the video and actually be disappointed since a majority of those views may be from bots. And so bots are seeing the number of ads as well. And then there's also people that are disappointed by the video. And so this article also states that the amount of advertising spent in 2021 is on track to hit about $389 billion. And so if only 50% of the people are real humans, that means we are throwing away about $200 billion in advertising. So I think there is a real good use case for this cryptocurrency going forward, and I think they are focusing on a true problem. And so I'd like to take a look at this as well. And so as I stated, there is a way to earn passive income by using the Verasity wallet. And so with this, there is currently 150,000 users, and this does provide a 55.55% APY in VRA rewards. And so you can instantly buy VRA and stake it through their wallet, and so this earns about a 25.55% APY per year. And so I will be going into this more to kind of show the possibility for this cryptocurrency and the passive income that could potentially be earned. And so let's take a look at the wallet here so we can see that the current APY is 25.55%. And the staking for this ends March 31st, 2022. And so that's about 10 months from now. And then the staking pool has a total capacity of about 2.5 billion. And so there's also some staking terms down here. The minimum amount to be staked is 10,000 VRA. And so the max amount per user is 200 million. And so the staking reward period is 24 hours, and that is rewarded daily at 0.07% per day. And then you can also unstake the tokens at any time. And so there is a wait after unstaking, which is 72 hours. And so I would like to take a look at this here using this calculator. And so if you were to deposit $1,000 into Verasity token with an APY of about 25.55%, over the next 10 months, which would be that March 31st date, and it compounds daily, you would have a total of $1,237. And so that would be about a $237 return over the next 10 months. And so this is stating that the cryptocurrency stays exactly where it is and it does not increase in value. And so I'd like to take a look at this as well. And so let's say this cryptocurrency does go up in value. And so right now it is trading at a market cap of about $70 million. And so let's say this cryptocurrency has the potential to make it to a $4 billion market cap. And so the circulating supply for this token is just under 4 billion. And so if it hits 4 billion market cap, there's 4 billion tokens. That would put the value of this token at $1. And so let's say you buy $1,000 of this cryptocurrency right now, that would buy about 60,000 tokens. And so if this does hit $1, that would mean that you have $60,000 in this cryptocurrency. And so if I were to change this to $60,000 and say that it hits that dollar mark in the next 2 months, that would leave 8 months remaining of a 25.55% interest rate, and that would compound daily. And so based on that, if this does hit a dollar mark in 2 months from now, and then you leave this money staking in the Verasity wallet, you would earn about $11,000. And so that would mean that you earn about $1,300 every month of passive income by holding this cryptocurrency if it were to hit $1. And so I think that is optimistic. However, I think that it is possible. And so let's take a look at this on CoinMarketCap here. These cryptocurrencies are currently right around that $4 billion mark. And so we see NEO ranked at 29 with a $4 billion market cap. And then some of these other ones as well. We can see there is Shiba Inu here that is trading at about 3.4 billion. And this is a meme token. And so if Shiba Inu can reach 4 billion of a market cap, I definitely think that Verasity can do that, since there is a real world use case for this cryptocurrency. And so I definitely think that hitting $1 is possible. And so I think there's a good opportunity here. If you do your research and really understand this cryptocurrency, I think there is a good possibility for earning passive income. And so if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. If you'd like to see future cryptocurrency videos, please hit the subscribe button. And as always, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.